Yeah, hi. This is Srinath from Beautiful Me. So today we want to show you some of the hand block printed cotton sarees, which are our new collections. So before this lockdown, you can store up your sarees for your day-to-day usages. So let us see one by one. So this is the peach color hand block printed saree, and this will be the pallu. And this will be your blouse collection. So these sarees you can order us through WhatsApp or Instagram. You can Instagram at Beautiful Me or WhatsApp to 9952 for orders. All these saree are 1199, and we do a free shipping across India in this lockdown. Let's go to the next saree. Yeah, another peach color saree with a different design and the hand block printer. So this is a separate blouse piece for the peach saree, and so this will be your pallu. So again, to repeat, all these are naturally dyed hand block printed sarees, which can be used for your daily day-to-day usage. The next one is the red hand block printed saree. So this is your pallu. And this will be your blouse for the saree. So you can order all these sarees through WhatsApp or Instagram at Beautiful Me, and WhatsApp to 9952 and we do a free shipping across India for these sarees. And next one is the other design is the again red saree. So this is your pallu design, and then the self-designed one with a blouse. All these have a running blouse attached to the saree. Next we will move on to the green color hand block printed saree. All these sarees are very comfortable when you wear. These are soft cotton, very less weight. When you wear it, you will feel like what to say, smooth on your body. Yeah, so this will be a pallu, and then the polka dotted blouse piece, which is again running along with the saree. Yeah, this is another very nice green handloom blouse and sarees, which has a separate blouse piece attached to it. Again, a self-designed one. And then this will be your pallu for the saree. All these are priced at 1199. So you can order all these through WhatsApp or Instagram with us. Wow. So okay. Here comes one of my favorite black color, which has an contrasting white blouse piece attached to it. So we will see. Wow, again, yeah. This will be your pallu with a red, white, and a black combination, along with some grey imprints in this. One of my favorite is black. Okay, let's move on to the other black one. So this has a running blouse. So yeah, so this will be your pallu, This again has amazing polka dots, contrasting white color, a blouse attached to it. Very pretty, isn't it? Now this is another kind of a green. So one of the lightest color and which is very pleasant to see as well. Yeah. So this will be your blouse attached to the sari, and this will be your pallu with a slight yellow mix along with the green. It looks very pleasant to wear. Okay, let's move on to another pleasant color. The same similar color but a different design. Again, the pallu looks really awesome with an yellow combination. Wow, okay, yeah. This is again the blouse bit along with some yellow dots underlined in between. Hope you like all these collections. Okay, with this, right, so we have much more collections with us. So more on the greens and a black with a red combination, which you are seeing here. The kind of a teal blue and a brownish sandal color. And somewhat in a kalamkari design. Right. And yeah, much more on the indigos, the all-time favorite indigos, which you can see here. And lot more collections as well. So what you can do is, you can WhatsApp us or Instagram us. We will send you the pictures of whatever you like, and then you can choose from this. Our Instagram handle is @beautifulme. When you spell it BUTYFULME. WhatsApp us at 9952 990154. We will send you the pictures, or if you like any of the pictures which you have already shown, you can share with us, and we will ship you free of cost. The cost of the saree is 1199, inclusive of all taxes, and the shipping is free all over India. Hope you have a good shopping time in this lockdown period. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.